Hi team. Okay, welcome back. We are on question 2. I'm going to return to this page, this part of the page every time to show obviously my sponsor and the channel, how it's getting on. So on to question 2. In an enterprise project, Anish buys sweatshirts at £22.50 each. He has to decide what price he wants to put on each sweatshirt. If he doesn't sell them all, he will reduce them by 10%. He still wants to make 20% profit on the cost of each reduced price sweatshirt. Now, this is wordy. It's really wordy. It's designed to trip you up. But we need to know what the price is going to be before that 10% discount. So he's got like an amount, and I'll call that amount X. Well, that's the price. In fact, we know that price could be 22.5, but we're just going to keep it simple and call it X. It's then going to be multiplied by 1 point something. So 1 plus a percentage. And then, if he's going to reduce that price, he's going to multiply it by 0.9 because that's what 100% take away 10% is for that moment. And then that's going to equal that profit that he wants to make, which is at 1.2. Now, I can just get rid of this X bit. Okay, we're not going to look at that. But he's going to, because like effectively if X was 100%, we're going to, it's like multiplying by 1. So we're then going to get 1 plus y times by 0.9 equals 1.2. So 1 plus y is going to equal 1.2 divided by 0.9. And we can put that into the calculator. 1.2 divided by 0.9 gives me, we'll call that 1 1/3. We then take away that, and that gives me 1/3. So that markup is 1/3 on everything, on the value that he's bought them for. So finally, 22.5 times by 1 1/3, or we can call that 4/3 because that's what it is as a improper fraction, should give me, that number works out really nicely, £30. So he's going to sell those for £30. And then, of course, we don't need to go any further because this is what should the price be, P, for each sweatshirt. So we're not looking at the reduction afterwards and what that will be in order to give him the 20% profit. If we were going to go further, it would be £27 because he takes off 10%. That'd be £3 taken off. And then 27 as a percentage of 22.5 is 1.2. So it works out really nicely. Okay, that's question 2 done. I'll see you over at question 3.